Hi guys, today we are going to compare iPhone 12 Pro colors. I was really confused which color I'm going to keep it for myself. So I got here three colors: graphite, gold and blue. Why I did not include white? Because that was just out of the scene. I have spoken to Apple guys and they said that the most selling phone is graphite and blue. Blue, why is selling more? Because it's a new color. But if I compare all three colors, the graphite is the best and favorite for me. But if you're afraid of fingerprints, then don't go for the dark colors. Then you're better off for the gold one, because on gold you don't really see the fingerprints as much as you see on the graphite or blue, because they have dark bezels and there you can see easily the fingerprints. Also, the bezels in the dark you won't see any difference. They look alike, they're very similar. Only in the daylight you can see the difference. But the blue, actually I have 11 Pro Max in the green and I got fed up very easily and very quickly. I was like, I need to change the phone and I had to go for the different color. And the blue, I think is going to be go the same, because it's a new color. Now maybe you like it, but the long run it's better to choose what you really like. And I'm gonna put it on a different position, so because of the light, so you can really see the difference. The front of all these phones are pretty much same. You don't see any difference. But one more thing, on the black ones you see the bezel, the side edges more than the gold, because here you can see the bezel is like it has its own color, so it doesn't meng with the screen. So guys, let me know your comment which color you like and what color are you going to buy, which phone are you going to buy, 11 Pro or 11 Pro Max. Let me know in your comment. Thank you for watching. Peace.